Hi, today I'm going to show you multiple different ways to start a Google Meet. The first one I'm going to show you is from your calendar. So you can create a Google Meet in advance and schedule it in your calendar, and then just click on the link and anyone who has been invited will be able to join that meeting with you. So if you take a look over here on the side of our screen, you can see the word create. So I'm going to click on that. You're going to just create an event. Once you create that event, you can see you can schedule it for any time. You can add guests here, which is pretty simple. You just have to type in their email. But what you do want to do is you want to hit add a Google Meet. And then once you have that, you can immediately join the Google Meet if you'd like, but you want to click save to add it to your calendar, and that way it'll be there. So once you are ready to join the Meet, you would just click on that and say join with Google Meet. And as you can see, it'll take you there to the Google Meet. Another way to do this is through Google Classroom. So with my students, I would typically use Google Classroom as the method of creating a Google Meet with them. It was easiest for them. The link was on their classroom page and it was easy to do that. So I'm just going to show you how to do that. So this is the class that I'm going to start a Google Meet for. You can see as you go into the class, if you just scroll down a little bit here, you are going to click this Meet, generate a link. Okay, and then you're going to save so it's visible to students. And whenever you are ready to join the Meet, you are going to click on join, and that'll, if I click on that, it'll take us to join the Google Meet. That's pretty simple. Another way to do this is by going to your mail. You can actually join a Google Meet through your mail as well, or start a Google Meet through your mail. As you can see, it's going to load my email from work. And on the side here, you're going to see some options for a Google Meet. So on the left side here, just on the side, you're going to see Google Meet, and you can just click on that. And again, you can invite people, you can add it to the calendar, you can just click join now, and it'll bring you to the Google Meet. The final one is just actually by going to Google Meet itself. So you can go type in meet.google.com, or you could pull down the waffle and do it that way. Now with this one, you can do a couple different things. You can just start a new meeting right there. You could also enter a code or nickname. When we were doing virtual classes, this was the easiest way for my students to find me. I would just type in, everybody knew the code, it was RBR Morrissey. And so I would click on that, type it in there, and then that would start a Meet for me. And the kids could join that Meet by clicking on it. Now the thing about Google Meet is with a teacher being present, the teacher has to obviously start the meeting, and kids won't be able to join until the teacher starts the meeting. So that's really important. Once you get into the Google Meet, there's lots of different features that you can explore. I'm not going to explore those today with you. I think it was just important to get started on learning how to start a Google Meet. So thank you guys. Have a great day.